it comes to going home, you'll find your transfer pick-up details, a Jet2 Holidays notice board, an information guide at your hotel, or in our app. These will be shown 72 hours before your departure.
Please arrive 5 minutes before your transfer window. Just like in the UK, traffic, road closures and other unforeseen circumstances can happen. So please wait for the full duration for us to pick you up.
Want to make your holiday extra easy? Just download the Jet2 app for all your holiday info on the go in one handy place.
That includes a digital version of your welcome pack, your return transfer details, flight information, 24/7 support and more. Plus, new for this summer, you can chat with us on WhatsApp.
That's almost it for us.
We love seeing you enjoy your holiday, so remember to share your sunshine snaps with us. You'll find us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Use the hashtag Jet2View.
A driver will let you know when you've reached your hotel. Please don't forget to take a look around, pick up all of your belongings before you get into the coach.
From the entire team at Jet2 Holidays, have a lovely holiday.
I think that's part of the theme.
Circle.
Look, there's the little weird thingy. Granddad's. Look, there's a shopping centre there. Alice.
What colour is there a gold? I just shut off this way all the way through Passport. I've had all morning with her.
I'm going to leave you alone. So I'm going to go straight away. So I'm going to get my swimming suit on. And I'm going to get my sunblock. But first I'm going to have a little bathe in my sunblock. And then I'm going to put on my hat.
The phones are ready.
And then once I've done a little bit of 1 minute of bathing, and then I'm just going to jump in the pool with my legs up.
Alice.
Everybody where you go.
You don't shut.
I'm just testing.
You have to be quiet. Yes. Alice. Yeah. I just was not getting ice cream.
Okay, fine.
Look, Alice, there's the new roller coaster. Doesn't open until we go
Oh, come on, make it
in the building. No,
Okay,
that is
like-
just a normal water park that opens the day. So this is the best.
No.